Resources are scarce today. We need to conserve it not for our own personal consumption but for the future generations as well. We should build to a climate responsive architecture. That is what the idea is. That how favorably the climate is responding to our building and to our asset, that needs to be married together. So let's start off with 3 or 4 major interventions which we are planning to accomplish over here. The first one being rooftop solar PV systems for the common area infrastructure, including elevators, STP, water pumping, lighting, and community areas, the air conditioning in the amenity areas, all will be run via solar PV successfully. Second biggest intervention which actually gets done in commercial buildings or hotels is a centralized hot water system through a heat pump. Instead of putting geysers in each apartment, we've given centralized heat pump on the rooftop for each block. So in fact, this is the first township where entire hot water, which is supposed to be paid by the residents through their own geyser, is coming free of cost to the end user. Now, water is a major resource in Bangalore, as we all know, and this is a scarce resource. We are planning to replenish that water table with rainwater addition on the rooftop and then filtering it and taking it down into the bore wells. Besides that, there is also a sewage treatment plant which has been planned, which will give back recycled water for flushing and for irrigation use. So overall, the water savings are in the range of around 40% as compared to the baseline. If guidelines developed by us and the developer is mapped into each home, the end user will save 50% of their own personal energy bills, and that is a commitment which we have all agreed to over here.